Hello, and welcome to our English podcast channel. You're here to learn English. Or maybe you just clicked something by mistake. Either way, you're here now, so you might as well stay. Today, you're going to practice listening to real English, spoken slowly, clearly, and with just a little sarcasm to keep things interesting. This is for beginners, A1 or A2 level. If you're more advanced, well, you can stay too. Just don't complain that it's too easy. That's kind of the point. This podcast is all about fluency, not perfection, not exam results, just real confident English speaking. You know, the kind of English that makes you sound like you actually talk to people and not like you live in a grammar textbook from the 1980s. Now let's talk about something important. It's called shadowing. No, not the creepy kind where you follow people around, the language learning kind. Shadowing means listening and speaking at the same time. You hear a sentence, and immediately you say it too. Same words, same rhythm, same tone, like you're copying, but with style. This helps your brain get used to English naturally. You stop translating, you stop overthinking, you just speak. Your mouth gets used to the movement. Your ears start catching sounds you never noticed before. Your brain starts saying, hey, this isn't so bad. And boom, you're improving without even realizing it. Let's imagine a normal day. You wake up at 7 a.m. You drink some coffee or tea or hot water with lemon because the internet told you it's healthy. You check your phone. Then you check it one more time. Maybe you open Instagram. Maybe TikTok. Maybe you search how to be productive while not being productive. After that, you take a shower. You brush your teeth. You get dressed, hopefully. And then you go to work or school, or you just sit there wondering why Mondays exist. On the way, you listen to this podcast, which is a great idea, by the way. Well done. Now let's talk about you. You want to speak English fluently. You want to travel, get a better job, watch movies without subtitles, talk to people from other countries, order food in a foreign country, and actually know what you ordered, not mystery soup with surprise meat. Real food. That's the dream. To do that, you need to speak. Not just study, not just read grammar books. Speaking is a physical skill, like dancing or riding a bike. You don't learn to dance by reading about dancing. You get up and move. Same with English. You don't learn it just by thinking. You open your mouth. You speak. You make mistakes. You laugh. You keep going. Fluency doesn't mean using big, fancy words. It means speaking naturally and clearly, saying things like, I'm tired. Let's go. I don't know. It's okay. That's fluency. That's real communication. Not, I have acquired a state of emotional fatigue due to prolonged exertion. No one talks like that. Please don't talk like that. Here are some simple sentences. They are short, useful, real. You can use them every day. I like pizza, especially with extra cheese. He's always late. Every single day. She watches too many cat videos. We need more coffee. It's raining again, of course. See? Easy words, simple grammar, real English. This is what people actually say. You don't need to be a grammar robot. You just need to be human. Here's a little secret. Fluent speakers don't speak perfectly. Native speakers forget words all the time. They say you know, like, and repeat themselves constantly. The difference is they're confident. They don't stop and apologize for every little thing. They just keep going. You can do the same. Confidence is more important than grammar. Confidence is the thing that helps you keep speaking even when your brain forgets a word. When that happens, just smile, use a different word, or make a joke. People will understand you, and they'll respect your effort. Learning a language is not easy, but it's not supposed to be easy. If it was easy, everyone would speak 10 languages. You're doing something amazing. You're challenging your brain, your memory, your pronunciation, your habits. That's big. That's powerful. Now let's go back to daily life. You come home after a long day, you eat dinner, you relax. Maybe you watch a series. Maybe you scroll your phone. Maybe you tell yourself you'll study English, but you end up watching videos about raccoons stealing pizza. It happens. No judgment. But just 10 minutes of shadowing every day can change everything. That's it. 10 minutes. You don't need to study for hours. You just need to show up, speak out loud, make your brain work, and slowly, your English will improve. Let's try some more sentences. You've probably heard these before. What time is it? I'm hungry. I'm tired. Let's go. Wait a second. It's not my fault. I didn't do it. Are you serious? Come on. Don't worry about it. It's going to be okay. Short, natural, powerful. These sentences are the tools you need in daily conversation. They're not impressive on a grammar test, but they are useful in real life, and that's what matters. Now, take a moment and think about your progress. Maybe you've been learning English for a few weeks, or months, or years. Maybe you're still shy when you speak. That's normal. Everyone feels that way at first. But here's the good news. You're already better than you were yesterday. You listened to this podcast in English. You understood most of it. You followed the sentences. You stayed with it. That's progress. That's fluency in action. Let's be honest. There are going to be bad days. You'll feel tired, you'll forget words, you'll make silly mistakes. You'll think, why am I even doing this? But remember, every step you take is part of the journey. Every word you learn is a victory. Every time you speak out loud, even badly, your brain gets stronger. So don't wait for perfect. Don't wait for the right moment. Just keep practicing. Keep speaking. Keep listening. 10 minutes a day. That's all it takes. You've got this. Before we end, here's something to remember. Fluency is not about speaking fast. It's about speaking comfortably, with confidence, with clarity, with personality. You don't need to sound like a native speaker. You just need to sound like you in English. You are learning. You are improving. You are doing something that many people are afraid to even try. Be proud of yourself. Thanks for listening. Now, go and speak some English today with your friend, your mirror, your dog, or even your coffee cup. It doesn't matter. Just speak. Loud and proud. The world needs your voice. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Or else, I might sneak into your playlist and replace all your songs with grammar lessons. Just kidding. Or am I? Seriously, though, you don't want to miss what's coming next. It could change the way you learn languages forever. You've been warned. I'll be waiting for you. See you in the next video. Bye for now.